Yep.
I forgot to film that.
Oh, well. I don't have much fingernails. You don't have as much hair as I do. Nowhere near as much hair as I do. These pull this way?
No, other way.
This way?
Uh-huh. Hold the skin tight.
I'm not pulling yet. I'm just getting my finger underneath it, babe. I was just getting my fingers underneath it. It's okay.
Oh, that's good. That's so much better.
Stay there.
Ow. They're right over here. Oh. I was going to tell you that, but I was too busy.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I see them.
On the bar.
I see them now. Tweezers suck.
Grab and pull. Or grab and yank. Don't grab my skin.
That's what I'm trying not to do. Sorry. I'm sorry.
You better be. Did you grab them?
Mm-hmm. Es bueno. Es bueno.
You did pretty good, even though I put the wax down, but... I need to do this other outer side. Okay. I can't spin it, though, because I won't be able to see my face in it.
Damn, I'm
Let's
smart.
try doing this. Yes, you're so smart. Okay. Hopefully it's not too shaky. Crap, I can't even see where my... Well, there's the spoolie.
Do I need to turn my light on?
No.
I'm talking about so you can find the stuff.
If anything, it makes it better because it's funnier.
I'm talking about so you can find the stuff.
No, it's fine.
Fine. Little Miss Attitude. Scissors.
No.
What?
I can't find stuff in my eyebrows.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I'll just use this. Really? I can't even see it.
This is gonna be a good video.
Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. It's like I do my eyebrows in, or we should do it, doing eyebrows in the dark in a car.
This is a truck. It is a pickup truck.
Okay, it's a truck.
Don't degrade it. It's okay, girl. She didn't mean it. She didn't mean it. It's okay.
My goodness. He's petting his truck.
You hurt her feelings. You have to be nice or she'll break. She's old.
Who was that? Bo Duke or Luke Duke that loved his car?
That was old Bo Duke. It was both of their car, but Bo was the driver. For the most part. He was blonde. With the pretty hair. I like Daisy. The original Daisy.
Yeah, I like the original Daisy. I don't like Jessica Simpson as Daisy. Like,
she's a whore. She's a her.
You can't say words like that on this channel.
I can't? I take that word back.
This is so hard.
She's nasty. That better?
Yeah, that's better. Holy crap. Well, that's pretty good. Got one eyebrow down, which is my right side, which is what I'm used to.
Come on, Sharon. Out the street, get off that cellular device.
There's one. Now let's do the hard part.
See how talented you are. Oh, Alex got a new car.
Alex? Alex who?
Falk. He's a friend of mine I went to school with.
Have I met him?
Huh?
Have I met him?
No. And he's a cop in Benton. And he got a new policeman car.
That's not the guy that you're talking about that did my police report, is it?
No, that was TT.
Oh, TT.
That's what they call him.
Holy shit.
Christmas without you, I'll be so blue. Just thinking about you. Decorations of red on a green Christmas tree.
His tail is like, ugh. Ha, you messed up.
So,
I kind of just want to stop right here before it gets bad.
with your Christmas of white, but I have a blue, 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 blue Christmas.
Okay, I think that's good.
I don't know.
It's so dark.
That's what happens when the sun goes down.
I did good. Okay, turn it down so I can do an outro.
Oh, that's Elvis.
Okay, so there you have it. It's just a quick little short video that I thought would be fun. One of a little bitty challenge. So it's dark. I'm sorry for the bad quality, and I'm sorry for his singing, but he actually sings pretty good.
When I want to.
Yeah. So thank you for watching. Bye.